Welcome to a thrilling journey into the world of IPTV on Kodi. Imagine accessing countless channels worldwide. In today's video, we'll explore how to add IPTV to your Kodi. It's easier than you think. First, we'll dive into the settings. Grab your device, and let's get started on this exciting setup journey. Navigate to Add-ons on Kodi's main menu and select My Add-ons. You're on the right track. Next, choose PVR clients. This is the key to unlocking an abundance of IPTV channels. Find and select PVR IPTV Simple Client. This is your gateway to integrating IPTV with Kodi. Now, we need to configure the client. Choose Configure to input your IPTV provider's M3U playlist URL. Enter your M3U URL provided by your IPTV service, like 2tv.store. They offer impressive streaming options. Save your configuration and go back to Kodi's main menu. The toughest part is already behind us. Now go to TV on Kodi's main menu. If all is set correctly, channels will start loading at once. You'll see a list of available channels ready to stream live, right at your fingertips. Explore the endless entertainment options, from local shows to international events. Your Kodi is now a powerhouse. For high-quality streams, choosing a reliable provider like 2tv.store is vital for uninterrupted enjoyment. Keep experimenting with settings for personal preferences. Kodi and IPTV offer flexibility and customizable options. Remember, IPTV on Kodi can transform your viewing habits, making entertainment enjoyable across devices. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and visit 2tv.store for the best IPTV experience.